There you go. Ooh, that's the shot. How's he seen you in a place like this?
Is that it?
How's the volume?
That's it. Yeah.
What are we doing here, sorry?
Yep.
Are you recording now, are you?
Yeah,
We're over a bit now.
the TV up here.
Yeah. Hey?
No?
Who are those two good looking roosters, eh?
My goodness gracious me. There you go, Sumo here, Sumo's Projects, visiting Hoss built by Chris in his brand new workshop.
Yes. Welcome.
Thank you, mate, thank you. Bloody long time since I've been here.
It's been a while, hasn't it?
This is a stress-free type travel today, as we just come out of our lockdown in Victoria, finally, yep.
And supposedly no more lockdowns.
No, well, let's cross these things, fingers crossed.
Yep.
Should be alright, should be alright.
Yep.
Mate, since the last time I was here, I noticed a few more things in here, so can you tell us a little bit what's happened? What's this?
CNC, let me get in the corner here.
Righto,
This is a CNC machine.
yeah, you want to talk to the camera?
This is a CNC machine.
Right.
It cuts things.
What brand is it? I've never seen
It's
these.
a Bluey. Built right here in Melbourne.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah.
Tell us a little, because, you know, everyone knows CNC to be
Inventables.
Inventables,
Yeah, that
all
one,
that
yeah.
sort of stuff.
This is a Bluey, built by Blue Calf CNC. Adam, he's the owner of the place, and bang for buck, this is one of the best ones on the market, I
Yeah.
reckon. Yeah, really good CNC machine.
I've seen a few of the designs and things you've already done with this, and mate, it's like a whole new world, isn't it?
Oh, you know, look, there used to be the question, which I don't think they ask anymore, was is CNC actually woodworking?
Mm.
And you know what, I've got to say yes, I reckon it is. You know, because it just opens up a whole new world.
Yeah.
You know, it's absolute grouse.
Yeah, it's bringing the design room home, isn't it? Because you can link in. This is just all flashy and fancy, but you've got a laptop here that's integrated into your TV screen.
Yeah.
Now you can power this laptop to run this thing.
Yes, and that's what I need. I need the laptop to run this.
It's just a little bit beyond my comprehension, but
You'll get there,
I'll get
Dirk.
there. I'll get there, Dirk. Chris, boss. No, mate, it's I love this, and we got to go a bit around the workshop because this is not a tour, but it is. I think you know, measure twice, cut once. The show we do together, we've seen a few of the backdrops here. I think you've you put a lot of panels of plywood into your workshop. How many?
34.
34.
34 sheets of plywood went into this building.
They're 2.4 metres by what?
1200.
1200, 24 by 12.
Yep.
How many screws, Chris?
Yeah.
You bought them by 3,000 quantity or something.
No, they're coming 1,000 quantity,
Yeah.
and I've gone through 3 packets.
Oh, fortune favours the brave.
Yes.
This is all still the same, but what you've actually done, as we go around and have a look, you've got all these overhead cabinets, open cabinets, mate, and I know a lot of plywood, yeah, obviously you need it to construct something like what you've done, but this is absolutely magnificent. This is something where, you know, like you look at design and workshops, this is brilliant, this is out of our way. I mean, I'd headbutt that if there wasn't a workbench there, but you've done a tier system here, which enables you to do one set of storage, machinery, and above, extra storage.
Yeah. That was the whole idea. That was the plan behind it all. Yeah.
Is this your idea?
Um,
Or did you see someone with a similar setup?
Look, I suppose I could say yes, I have, but everyone else puts doors on theirs. And the only difference is I didn't put in, because as soon as you close the door,
Yeah, it's gone.
It's gone. You don't know what you've got, you know. Whereas I know, at a glance, I can look anywhere and I go, I know exactly what I've got.
Yep.
So,
Out of sight, out of mind.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Who said that if you put stuff in drawers, it goes there to die? Who said that?
Cuffy?
Was it Cuffy? Yeah, I think it was Cuffy.
Someone.
Yeah.
Incredible.
Mm.
So this is a continuation. This is going around most of your workshop, Chris. I love this. This is a battery storage system.
Yeah.
The vault obviously has like some holders. you can get. So you just tack them in.
But you can
underneath.
get them for Bosch. You can get them for Makita. You can get them for Milwaukee.
Yeah,
So because I got DeWalt,
yeah.
I got DeWalt. So.
Can you get it for Aldi? Aldi tools?
No.
No. Oh, fair enough. Um, here you got a few things different to what you do mainly, woodworking. But yeah, you got a cold cut saw.
Yep.
You got a welder, MIG welder.
Yep.
They're probably the only things you got outside of the type of projects you do.
Yeah, non-timber, but it just means that I'm not limited by just working with timber.
Yeah, yeah. I love the corner design here. This just a beautiful workflow. It's not workflow, a storage flow that you've constructed. You've gone with very similar type, distances between your partitioning.
Yep.
Do you think that fits in nicely?
At the moment, it works a treat.
Yeah.
You know, I've got little like I call them cubbies.
Cubbies.
The little cubbies for
Yeah.
everything. So I've got my stain cubby. I've got my cabinet hardware cubby. You know.
Yeah.
And like I said, if I had doors on them,
Yeah.
I wouldn't know where everything was. But this way, it's open and I can see it
Yeah.
straight away.
I want to show people something. I'll get it, yeah. These are from Bunnings, aren't
Yep. Tactics.
they? Tactics. Now, Chris put me onto these. I could never find them because I was looking in the wrong spot. So these are in the storage. They're a different part of Bunnings.
I think there's a part in Bunnings called Garage Workshop Storage
Yep,
Solutions. Yeah.
yep. They're see-through. They've got a partition. You don't have to use that, obviously. And they just slide into the holders here.
Yep.
And they're, about $20.
$22.
$22. You know, this is thinking about what you're doing. Love that. Not very happy with this bit of machinery because you upgraded this since I sold it to you. Now, there's whispers that you don't want it. All right, maybe not whispers. Evil laugh.
Yeah. This is not going anywhere.
Yeah. This thing's a bee's knees with a helical spiral cutter head.
Yep.
You reckon it chews through steel? Or can if it wanted to?
Yeah, if I wanted to, yeah, but it probably
Yeah.
wouldn't be very good for it.
No,
but,
it's not a good move, but yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway.
But no, the thing that the timber that comes out of this now,
Yeah.
I don't have to sand.
A worthwhile investment?
100%.
Good stuff. This is just continuing on. We've got a visitor coming, mate. I can hear him bipping.
Yep.
He's reversing up, but we've got a system here that's really kept going all the way around the workshop. Mate, you got a bit of green down here. I don't know if that's weeds, but expensive weeds.
They are.
Bit of festering. Before we go, before we leave the video, I'm going to show you this workbench setup Chris has got. Everyone should be doing this in a small space. It's brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. This is your wood turning corner.
Yep.
Now this is extraordinary. You've got cubbies here for all your bloody blanks.
Yep.
More of the Tactic storage system. You've integrated lighting. And you've got some fancy light show you can do here, so you can change colours. Here we go. Here we go. He's got a remote for it.
Yeah, you can go muck around.
No, I'm not going around.
So turn the lights on.
There we go.
Actually, you know what? You want to get the full effect?
Oh dear. Look at that. That's amazing. Chris, that's
That's the if you got it flaunted thing.
Yep.
That's all that is.
yep. So I think we've got a visitor coming here.
Yeah.
I thought I was the only one, but today is different.
Well, not in lockdown anymore.
Alright, let's have a look.
There he is.
Don't come empty-handed either, by the way.
He's bought muffins.
Look what the cat dragged in.
Hey, boys.
How are you, mate?
Very good. You?
Good. You're on
Good.
camera.
I know I am.
Be candid. Hey, what a day has been had here in the house of Zurek. Mate, you've done wonders here.
I know. I'm surprised myself.
Yeah, you surprised Rob.
Certainly has.
We're introducing Rob here. He's a good fella. He's
everyone.
come along and helped us shoot some video
Yep.
for Measure Twice,
Cut once.
Cut Once. How good's that? And he's contributed knowledge.
You know what? It's been a productive day.
Yeah, super production.
Yeah.
I can't believe you haven't stopped to have something to eat.
You're going to collapse it. It's going to move away to nothing.
Yeah, I'm half the man I was this morning.
Anyway, that's what you can do if you want to set up a good workshop. And testament to that is that Rob here is setting up a similar type of workshop to what Chris has. And when I move, I'm going to copy both of them
That's
because there might be a better idea from one to the other.
Get the best of everything.
Get the best of everything. I tell you what, really good to see this. And measure twice, cut once. That's a show that 3 of us are on
Yep.
at the moment.
Run by these two blokes.
Run by these two, us two.
Us two.
Yeah, so Bonds and stuff, thanks for having me down again.
No worries.
As we said, COVID, you can get lost, please. So until next time, I'm going to say hooroo. What do you say?
Bye for now.
Have you got a good boy saying?
Yeah, Joe.
Are you French?
French.
No.
No, of course not. All right. Might be someone knocking on your door tonight. Yeah.
Vinny and Rocky.
Vinny and Rocky are going to come. They're going to say, they'll say Joe.
Reggie Ditch, alright. So, I just want to quickly, before I do go, this is the pinnacle of the workshop Chris has set up. It is really clever, so Hoss, take it away and show us what you do with it. Yeehaw.